Thank you for your interest in our Power Wrapper. It's a great tool to have whether you're a beginning rod builder or a very experienced rod builder. A lot of guys start out hand wrapping just to see if they like the idea of rod building, and then they eventually choose to step it up and take the next level with one of our Power Wrappers. I'm here to show you some of the key features in this thing and just show you how nice it is and show you the benefits of this Power Wrapper. I'm going to start here with showing you how the foot pedal works with the wrapping motor. Okay, we can slowly push this down. It goes real slow, or we can floor it. It's really important to have that adjustable speed on your Power Wrapper so you can start and stop wraps. This foot pedal is hooked up to a rheostat, so I can floor it here and turn down the rheostat and do a little bit slower work. I can turn the rheostat up, and then at that point I can sand cork, EVA, do a number of things at the high speed rate. What's really nice about the Power Wrapper is after I finish my rod, I can go ahead, flip an O-ring over here to the drying motor. Now at the flip of a switch, my whole Power Wrapper turned into a drying motor well. So I don't have to go the hassle of wrapping a rod, bringing it over to another drying motor. It's just really great to have that feature as well. This motor is made to turn on, let it sit overnight, and it's not going to burn up on you. Okay, so I'm going to put it back over to this wrapping feature. Flip the switch, it's ready to go. As you can see here, I got a small ice rod chucked into here, but I can turn these two discs and it can open up, do big offshore rods. You can close it all the way down to zero really, so I can clamp down to a blank if I needed to. So you tighten these two discs, and then there's a little knob in the back here that you'll want to tighten up just to add that extra security holding your rod in place. Now we're going to talk about the thread tensioner. This thing's really nice. As long as you keep this area nice and clean, you can roll this all the way up and down so you can wrap all your rods without having to undo the thread tensioner, put it somewhere else. So that makes it really nice. There's two springs here, one for each spool. And what that'll allow you to do, you can tighten down the tension really strong, or you can loosen it up. You're going to simply find the tension that you want, take the thread, put it through your ceramic guide locator, and wrap it up to your rod. Simply wrap like that. Now, a lot of times you'll have guides, I don't have, this is just the blank right now. Sometimes you'll have guides in the way, and we'll have to adjust this back and forth. So all I have to do is undo a wing nut here, slide it in place, and now no matter where you put your guides on the rod, you'll be okay. So guide here, say, tighten it there. A lot of rods vary in taper as well, and you always want to have this rod real level on your machine. So what's nice about these is I can turn a wing nut here, adjust the bottom, and then I can also adjust the top of this thing. So there's just so many good features about this thing, and it's that next step in rod building. Whether you're a beginner or extremely experienced, this thing's perfect for you.